In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to start creating your flow and show you how to create a simple flow. From the dashboard, navigate to Flows. Click Add and name your flow to proceed to the Flow Builder. In the Flow Builder, click a message block and click Add Content to see the list of tools available to set up your automation. You can also find more tools by clicking on the plus icon in the center bottom. Now let us create a simple flow requesting a user's email address. Once you are done creating your flow, click on Publish. To preview your flow, click on this icon. To connect a keyword to your flow, go to the Automated Response section and create a keyword. Let me show you. Get your flow link by clicking on the menu icon beside the Publish button. You can easily share your flow link on your social media pages or on your website. Once a user clicks on your flow link, your bot will automatically respond. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.